Alright, we are at the bull ring. This is the red door going into the ring. No bullfights until September.
We have to come back in September.
Yes, Kim says we have to come back.
How?
Just like a coliseum. Round ring.
Okay, we are at the arena.
See the clay, dirt. Looks like they may be putting up a stage. The International Music Festival starts tomorrow, and there are several venues in town for musical events. This looks like it may be one of them. I'm going to go up here. It looks like this might be where the bulls are kept. Let's see what this is. Not sure. It's dark. We might go in there in a minute. There are three of these green doors here. You can see they have a pretty heavy latch on them, so I'm pretty sure that's where the bulls are kept. These places here, maybe where someone stands, maybe the bull riders. There are several here, are special boxes, I bet, for people to sit in.